Here are 10 fun facts about dolphins. Welcome back to WildWhisper! Let's dive into the ocean to meet one of the most captivating creatures on our planet, the dolphin, known for their grace, cuteness, intelligence, and friendliness to humans. Dolphins have fascinated people for ages. So get ready to swim with us as we unveil 10 mind-blowing facts about these marvelous sea creatures. Number 10. Super smart. Dolphins are widely recognized as one of the most intelligent creatures on Earth. Their intelligence is only matched by a few species such as chimpanzees, pigs, rats, and parrots. Dolphins can perform complex tasks and learn new tricks much faster than most other animals. They also have self-awareness, which means they understand that they are separate from their environment. A study done in 1998 showed that dolphins can recognize themselves in a mirror, which is a sign of high intelligence. They have excellent memories and can remember things for decades. Some people say dolphins are smarter than dogs. Well, maybe not that smart. Dolphins are highly curious and social animals, and their intelligence allows them to adapt to different environments, develop inventive ways to find food and communicate with others. Their brain size, compared to their body size, is second only to humans. Dolphins can even outsmart sharks and hunt them down. However, this is only when they are hungry. They also have a very well-developed sense of self-preservation. In fact, they almost never fall victim to predators. Among the few enemies of dolphins are the great white shark, the tiger shark, the orca, and the human themselves. Number 9. Unique names. If you've ever spent enough time near the ocean, you've probably heard a dolphin's signature whistle. Signature whistles are the dolphin equivalent of names. Each dolphin produces a unique sound that distinguishes it from the rest of the pod. Researchers believe that baby dolphins learn to produce their signature whistles after birth, and that adult dolphins can recognize each other through these calls. The cool thing is that signature whistles stay with dolphins for life. Even if a dolphin leaves its home pod, it will still answer to its name. Since dolphins can't see all that well on land, they use echolocation to navigate and communicate. This is where they send out sound waves and then listen for the echoes to bounce back. This helps them to map out their surroundings and also gives them some information about the prey. But signature whistles are not used for echolocation. Instead, dolphins use whistles to communicate with each other while playing or searching for food. Every whistle has a slightly different meaning. For example, a whistle might be a greeting between two dolphins or a call to action for more information. Scientists think that signature whistles help dolphins keep track of who's in the pod and who's not. This way, they can avoid conflict with other pods and make sure that their communication stays private. Number 8. Sleep with one eye open. Dolphins can't close both eyes when they sleep, so they take turns sleeping on each side of their brain. This means that they always have one eye open, which makes them look super cute, but this also means that they can't drown when they sleep. To take a nap, a dolphin rolls onto its side and the half of its brain that is not sleeping keeps it swimming at the surface of the water. This way, the dolphin can breathe while it sleeps. The dolphin's blowhole is connected to the top of its head so it can breathe air through it. This means that dolphins don't need to come to the surface to breathe when they're sleeping. This is unlike many other marine mammals, like whales and seals, who do need to come to the surface to breathe. Being able to breathe while sleeping underwater is very important for dolphins because it allows them to conserve energy. Dolphins sleep very little, just like humans. They usually sleep between 4 and 9 hours a day. However, they don't all sleep at the same time. Instead, they take turns sleeping so that there is always at least one member of the pod awake and watching out for danger. Number 7. Incredible communication. Dolphins use a variety of sounds to communicate with each other. Signature whistles are used to identify individuals within the pod. They also use whistles to direct their friends towards food and echolocation clicks to find prey. Dolphins emit a series of rapid clicking sounds which they use to navigate in dark or murky waters. Echolocation clicks are produced by air being forced through a narrow channel in the upper jawbone. This creates a sound wave that travels through the water and bounces back, allowing the dolphin to determine the size, shape, and distance to objects in its path. Dolphins can distinguish between many different kinds of sounds, and they can produce a wide range of sounds themselves. They are thought to have the most sophisticated language abilities of any creature in the animal kingdom outside of humans. Scientists are still learning about dolphin communication, but they believe that dolphins can produce up to 100 different sounds. Each sound has a different meaning, and dolphins can combine sounds to make complex sentences. Dolphins are very social animals, and they rely on communication to coordinate hunting, defend against predators, and care for their young. Communication is key to their survival, and they take it very seriously. Number 6. Fast swimmers. Dolphins are very fast swimmers, and they can reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. This is thanks to their streamlined bodies and powerful tails. Dolphins are also very agile, and they can turn quickly in the water. They use their speed and agility to catch fish and to escape from predators. Dolphins have a number of adaptations that make them such efficient swimmers. Their streamlined bodies reduce drag in the water. Their dorsal fins keep them stable, and their powerful tails propel them forward. Dolphins also have special features that help them to breathe underwater. They have lungs just like humans, but they can also hold their breath for a long time. This allows them to spend more time hunting for food underwater. Number 5. Playful nature. Dolphins are known for their playful nature. They love to have fun, and they often engage in behaviors that seem silly to us, like riding on waves, surfing, playing with seaweed, and sliding on their bellies. Dolphins play in the water for a number of reasons. It is a great way for them to exercise, and it helps them to develop the skills they need to hunt for food. Playing also allows dolphins to bond with each other. They learn how to work together and take turns during play. This helps to strengthen the bonds within the pod. Dolphins are very social animals, and they rely on their pods for protection and support. Playing is also a way for dolphins to explore their environment. They are naturally curious, and they like to investigate new things. By playing, dolphins can learn about the objects in their environment and figure out how to interact with them. Dolphins are also very intelligent animals, and they are capable of learning new things. Playing allows them to explore and learn about their world in a fun and engaging way. Number 4. Big families. Dolphins usually live in groups of 10 to 30 dolphins, although some pods can be much larger. The group is called a pod, and it's made up of related females and their offspring. Males will often leave their pod when they reach sexual maturity. Pods are very tight-knit, and the members take care of each other. Dolphins are very social animals, and they rely on their pods for protection and support. Pods are also important for finding food. Dolphins are predators, and they rely on stealth to catch their prey. When they're in a group, they can cover more area and be more successful at finding food. Pods are also important for raising young. Baby dolphins are born into a pod, and they stay with that pod for their entire lives. The other members of the pod help to care for the young, and this ensures that the calf will survive. Number 3, caring friends. Dolphins are extremely caring towards their pod members, and they are even known to grieve when they lose a loved one. They will often touch and hold the body of a dead dolphin and make noise while doing so. This is similar to the way that humans grieve when they lose someone close to them. Dolphins are also very protective of their young and will put their own safety on the line to defend calves. Dolphins are also known for their intelligence and curiosity. They are very social animals, and they rely on communication to coordinate hunting, defend against predators, and care for their young. Communication is key to their survival, and they take it very seriously. Dolphins are also known for their grace and cuteness. They are very agile animals, and they can move through the water with ease. Their playful nature and intelligence make them a joy to watch. Number 2. Many species. There are over 40 species of dolphins worldwide, ranging in size from the tiny Maui's dolphin, which is only about 1 meter long, to the giant killer whale, which can reach lengths of over 9 meters. Not all dolphins are created equal! Despite what many people think, dolphins are not all the same. There are many different types of dolphins, each with its own unique appearance, behavior, and habitat. The most famous species of dolphin is the bottlenose dolphin. Bottlenose dolphins are found in oceans around the world and are known for their intelligence and playfulness. They are also the most commonly kept dolphins in aquariums. Another well-known species of dolphin is the spinner dolphin. Spinner dolphins are found in tropical and subtropical waters and are known for their acrobatic abilities. They can spin up to 3 times in the air before landing back in the water. A third species of dolphin that is worth mentioning is the orca. Orcas are the largest species of dolphin and can reach lengths of over 9 meters. They are found in all oceans around the world and are known for their predatory behavior. Orcas are at the top of the food chain and will eat just about anything. Number 1. Ancient connection. Dolphins have been admired by humans for centuries. They have appeared in art and mythology all over the world. In ancient Greece, dolphins were seen as symbols of freedom and good luck. The Greeks kept dolphins in captivity for entertainment and also used them to help fishermen catch their nets. Dolphins have continued to capture the imagination of humans throughout history. They are featured in works of art, literature, and film. They are also popular in aquariums and marine parks. Dolphins are one of the most beloved creatures on the planet, and it's easy to see why. They are graceful, intelligent, and playful. They are also very social animals, and they seem to enjoy interacting with humans. Dolphins are an important part of our natural heritage, and we should do everything we can to protect them. Now it's your turn. Which fact about dolphins surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about amazing sea creatures. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.